Welcome back. Thanks for staying with us. In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, the joint effort between the police and citizens associations in Portmore, St. Catherine saw seniors being catered to on Valentine's Day. Here's Kayan Morgan.
It was a Vivash Day special for the elderly. On Ash Wednesday, which was also Valentine's Day, senior citizens across 3 communities in Portmore, St. Catherine were treated to a hot meal prepared by members of the police and various citizens associations. Sub-officer in charge of the Waterford Police Station, Detective Inspector Pilmar Powell, says that the 3rd staging of the Waterford Police Combined Care Project Soup Kitchen emerged after receiving complaints from residents as well as family members about wanting additional care.
Today is a befitting day, Valentine's Day. It's the beginning of Lent, so it's sharing love. Today we'll be feeding 120 elderlies throughout the 3 areas, Waterford, Passage Fort and Portsmouth, and 20 homeless persons.
The communities were assessed prior to the event to ascertain the location and the needs of the seniors, after which the food was prepared at a central location and delivered by runners.
The runners are persons within each of these communities. They are the ones that take the soup, because this soup kitchen, we do not take the elderly out of their home. We go to them. We ensure that we check with their diet, because too much salt. Yes, so we ensure that it is okay for them medical wise.
Even a short while ago, one just called me, said they're expecting me, they're at the gate waiting on me. So they well appreciated what we are doing for them.
Going out there and asking, getting their point of view, asking, do you have anybody inside who is not able to come out? We would love to treat them today.
Inspector Powell says the plan is to get the Ministry of Health on board for the next staging. For Paul Ferron, who is visually impaired,
I think it's a great venture, and that I wish it could be throughout the entire country of Jamaica to help to build back the rapport and the great relationship between the police and the public.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kayan Morgan.